a lot of creators have outrightly started copying other creators.
People follow us for who we are.
If everybody that watch your content supports you, that means you're doing something wrong. Okay, your brand is legitimate a brand when there are debates going on.
Everything that you say, you should be able to explain it to a 5-year-old and a 70-year-old at once. Don't make things sound more complicated they are, but make them more presentable.
Be authentic and real and don't lie to yourself. भाई आज मैं गरीब हूँ, आज मैं हूँ गरीब. Next important thing is brand positioning. Like this is,
I think एक बस like the segue that we can make, there will be a lot of people who don't appreciate this shell model.
yeah,
Because they are like कि यार भाई Q&A कर रहा था, मैं तो अभी ज्वाइन किया हूँ, Q&A क्यों बंद कर दिए, है ना? But it's because people like you who are the more sophisticated ones who have put in the work, right? The reason is this: positioning of the product and positioning of ourselves. That's why we want to talk about brand positioning, which I think it's a very like it's not talked enough.
it's not talked enough because this is like probably the most sophisticated topics where there is no nuance on the internet, right? See, the idea of positioning is how do you tell your story that you're perceived by the audience in a certain way, okay? The problem with that is a lot of creators have outrightly started copying other creators. There is no problem in that, right? Can you give it a twist? And if you are building your entire brand based on the template that somebody else has created and that's all you do, there is no positioning, there is no brand equity because everybody is going to come to your comments and be like, "Bhenchod, you just copied this guy," right? Which is fuck all situation for your brand. I am not saying if you like something, do not recreate it. Do it. Test it, give it your own twist, right? And also have other things that are unique to just you. The entire game of positioning is finding the formats of the content that only you are creating, nobody else is, right? For example, how many people do you know who are in the online business and yap in front of camera? Right? People who follow me, they are like, Akshat, ये मेरे को बोलता रहता भाई Akshat का rant है भाई सुनना पड़ेगा, right? So I have this idea of कि भाई मैं कैमरा के सामने I'll just rant the shit out of myself, right? So that might be happening in some other industry, some other people might be doing it, but like I kind of started doing it, people started to like it, right? So that's my positioning has become. Ki Akshat is very shrewd in terms of what he say, in terms of content. You would see my content is very direct and straightforward. Ki bhai, what the fuck are you doing? This completely wrong. Like fuck, it's a fuck all situation. Don't do this. You are lazy as fuck. You know, do this. Like so, I'm very direct in terms of how I speak. Now it's a very intricate thing. As a consumer, as a viewer, you cannot figure that out. Your thought is I like this, right? But that's me, my positioning, and it's me being very authentic in terms of because this is who I am. Like when I speak about things, I tend to get very passionate, right? So that's how my positioning has developed. You need to consistently, as a creator, figure out what is going to be my positioning.
And there's something unique about every one of you.
So,
like for example, like if Gurdev does it, he has a camera knowledge that I would follow him for. Yeah. And let's say if he figures out a way to present them with the carousels that you do, maybe let's say he creates an IP out of it. He has the positioning now. He will be known because of the carousels that he does, and that's going to set him apart and give him this. Now every second person who does it, it started because of him.
Now the problem with other, like you could see 100 clones doing this, right? Right? And I see, I don't like to call out people, but I'll give you one name, okay? So how many of you know this creator called Akash Bhalla, who is also an agency owner, right? If you go back, this guy copied my scripts word to word. Word to word, like अगर मेरी script के आगे की 2 लाइन हिंदी थी तो उसकी भी हिंदी थी, ये English थी, ये भी English थी, and he was able to grow his brand. He has grown his brand, but people still comment कि क्या है भाई कॉपी कर करके brand तो बना ली.
Even I'll give you example.
Which is so fucked.
Yeah.
Like,
I'll
you
give
don't
you
wanna
examples.
get that comment under your brand.
Yeah.
That's fucked.
How many of you know Learn with Aditya, who does health stuff, who calls out a lot of stuff that happens around health, like nutrition वाली industry में क्या चल रहा है, right? Think Food Farmer. He texted me when he had I think 3K followers. I told him कि bro तेरा health वाला चीज़ अच्छा है वही कर. He scaled to 10K 5 days later. Now he sits at 700K or something. Okay, because he found his niche, but he copied my videos with my tonality, with my background music, everything, like 4 or 5 of them, the initial ones that did well for me.
Yeah.
You take Nomadic Adi, right? Great creator, found his own way, but the first video that went viral for him, it's because he copied my 2022 recap, word by word. How many of you guys have seen this drop shipping guy who met Luke Belmar in a football pitch, like futsal wala pitch?
अरे ये
Seen them?
हाँ.
Seen him? क्या नाम है उसका?
अरे उसकी ब्रांड थी कुछ हाँ whatever I don't
है ना?
know.
He copied कौन सा? मेरा एक पिन वीडियो है अभी मेरी प्रोफाइल पे. It's called because of your love for the game. ठीक है? He copied B-roll shots as it is. I think अमन ने कमेंट किया था उसपे कि भाई क्यों कॉपी बना दिया तूने, है ना?
Did you have differentially or like copied parts of your?
Not parts, bro. Word by word script.
Yeah.
Even my B-roll idea कि भाई मैंने हुक पे मेरे कबर्ड के ऊपर मैंने 0.5 में मेरे आईफोन से B-roll लिया था. He did that. He did the same thing that I was doing, setting up my laptop and all. हाँ हाँ, like एक छोटी मोटी चीजें चलती है
So
bro.
basically, देख summarize.
Clones.
What I'm saying is, here are 5 creators you like.
एक मैं अभी एक बस रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल और दे देता हूँ. दिस गाय, वेरी गुड फ्रेंड,
Yeah.
बट इट्स लाइक डोंट मेक दिस योर होल थिंग. लोग क्या वो नंबर से एक बार जब अटैच होने लग जाते हैं ना,
That's fucked. Yeah.
डोपामीन शुड नॉट बी द मिलियन व्यूज दैट
Because once it start working for you, you're like कि भाई इसके लिए चल रहा है, मेरे लिए भी चल रहा है, मैं तो यही करूंगा अभी. But the problem is everybody is going to tell you कि भाई कॉपी कर दिया तूने. The thing is, if you like 5 creators that you look up to, this cannot be your brand. Always this should be your brand जहाँ पे तुम inspiration ले रहे हो, but still there is this part that is only for you, that makes you who you are. It doesn't matter if it get views or not, right? Take views from the people you are getting inspiration from, ना, that the formats that are working. But अगर तुमने पूरी brand को ही ये बना दिया, then you're just cloning, and this is fucked.
Take it as a, like, I'll just give you straight up what Tom Nosky taught in his course. That was a great way to do it. He says, this is you. Think of yourself as like planets or, planetary objects. Everything has gravity, right? These are 5 topics that you essentially talk about. Take me, like let's say MMA, documenting my journey, writing and all. Okay, agency, content creation, and then let's say habits or resources, etc. that I have. अब इससे क्या होगा? I'll attract 5 types of audiences. I will have a very high unfollow rate because there's going to be 80% of people who don't align with what I do, but the people who will stay will be the ones who are liking me for all of it, not just one thing. समझ रहे हो? People join MMA because of me. P Town पे लोग आके ना मैसेज करते हैं गौरव सर को, उनको फोन आता है कि अगर सक्षम का एड्रेस दे दो ना यार हमें, ऐसा genuinely happens. ठीक है? A guy who is in Journey Club, he flew to Pune when he only had a month's worth of. हाँ, ECB में भी है वो. हाँ, he's in cold models as well. Like one of the hardest workers we have in this, community in terms of learning and then actually doing really good. He has done incredibly well. अब बताओ वो it's like bro, he wanted to learn business and he joined my MMA academy, flew in from Jaipur to Pune with only a month's worth of rent left in the hopes that I'm going to give him a job, and I told him no. Right at that moment, first interaction. हाँ, because I told him कि भाई cold emailing सीख. उसने next day मेरे को बोला कि अक्षत के कोर्स में भी हो मैं. And the thing is, guy has done incredibly well. Like super proud of him.
Yeah.
ठीक है? This is the stuff that happens because people follow us for who we are.
Who we are, yeah.
That's why, for example, let's say if I introduce myself anywhere, I'm not gonna just say that I run an agency. I tell everyone that I run an agency. I'm a mixed martial artist and I create content as well, because I want that to be an integral part of what I do.
Yeah.
Positioning.
So next thing that I want to talk about, very important. Nobody talks about this, at least on the internet, because this doesn't get views.
It gets hate.
It gets hate, right? So the thing is that some of the biggest cults in the history of mankind happened because there were leftists and rightists, right? If everybody that watch your content supports you, that means you're doing something wrong. If everybody who watch your content hates your content, that means you still are doing something wrong. Okay, your brand is legitimate a brand when there are debates going on. when somebody is saying fuck this is right or somebody else is saying no fuck this is wrong.
कितने
wrong.
लोग हैं जो like Jordans के लिए बिल्कुल मर जाएंगे but they hate Adidas,
That's how they have
but then
created.
there are
Every
Adidas
brand does
cults.
it. Yeah.
right? Same thing.
So why do you think Apple और Mac और Microsoft के PC के इतने ज़्यादा conversations होते हैं, right? Because it's polar, it's getting branded, right?
Consoles versus PC.
Yeah.
Think that.
So pretty much the idea is, okay, how can you create? Ask yourself, what are the things as a creator, as a human being, I just hate, you know? That's not the life that I want. Can write down your anti-life. Okay, write this down. Define your anti-life. That means a life that you never wanted to live, right? Goals that you never had, agendas that you never wanted to fall for. Okay? And then those are your enemies, right? So I have this idea of like society pushing a person to settling down is an enemy, right? You settling for mediocrity is my enemy, right? If you are not getting 1% better, then you are like, don't follow my brand, right? If you're procrastinating, if you're not disciplined, it's fucked up, right? You need to create the enemies and then you need to consistently point that out. That is when you create polarity, right? So for example, इसका नाम क्या था मैं भूल गया. Kanav, right? Kanav is like कि भाई I want to create a brand where I would talk about कि भाई how can artists do marketing through social or whatever. That's what you do, right? If he just talks about what they should do, it would not work. He need to talk about why this is fucked and why this is right. And that is when the conversations are happening. They're like, bhai, what the fuck, who are you? Why are you speaking this, right? That is where your unique POV comes into play. If you're just creating content for getting views, it's fucked. You need to share your POV with the world. And that is where you create enemies. Ask yourself, how can I create polarity? How can I talk about my own POVs which are distinct from what the world thinks?
Have you seen game show YouTube videos? जैसे जुबिली करता है या फिर what Sidemen does, what Mr. Beast does. Why do those videos attract a lot of conversations? Because people start liking one character that maybe won or maybe lost, and they start having discussions and arguments in the comments. हाँ अरे I think there's a whole book on it, bro, कि to an extent sport is not healthy for man. I think मेरा एक दोस्त है पार्थ, मेरा अजमेर का फ्रेंड है. He shared it on his story and then I reshared it on my Instagram because bro मेरा J Advance का exam था after a month. I did not have access to internet. Like internet था but I did not have any subscription service. मेरे पास में वो Chinese phone था जिसमें 4 SIM डलती थी, है ना? ठीक है. And then I could not watch TV क्योंकि रात को मैच आते थे 12:30 1:30 पे. अब J Advance है भाई, Bayern versus Real Madrid 2017 है. ठीक है. मेरी दादी नहीं थी, मेरी मम्मी और दादी के रूम के बीच में एक लाइक वॉशरूम है. ठीक है. तो दैट्स द ओनली सेपरेशन. मैं वायर्ड ईयरफोन टीवी से लगा के इतना पास में बैठ के देखा हूँ मैच वो. एंड देयर वाज एन इनसेन रॉबरी इन दैट मैच. यू माइट बी अ रियल मैड्रिड फैन, आई विल ट्रिगर यू, बट देयर वाज एन इनसेन रॉबरी. आई कुड नॉट स्लीप फॉर 2 days. मेरे से कोई भी बात करता है ना उस मैच के बारे में, मैं मारने पे आ जाता हूँ उसको कि भाई मैड्रिड फैन मेरे सामने मत आओ. It's because this happened, bro.
How can you spark conversations through your content? Should be the anchor point of you talking stuff, right? You need to do that because if you're not creating polarity, your brand is very basic and like it's just flat. And like as humans, we don't like flat stuff. Like we need the ups and downs.
अभी वो बता ना, अभी अपना recent journey club की वीडियो का एग्जांपल.
कौन सी वाली?
ऋषि.
हाँ. So we posted a video on the Journey Club ka page where this founder who does $2 million a year.
Who did
already did $2 million a year.
More than 3 or 4.
Right. So when we were covering him, he is like, we usually do these challenges once a week where entire team edits
at the end of every month for 5 days.
Yeah. So that. I still holds the crown for this and I edited 86 videos in a day. He said that, we cut the clip out of it. Exactly this was the reaction of audience. Some people are like, bro, what the fuck? Impressed. And then like, kya chute bana rahe ho? So this is polarity. And that clip got 32,000 views. And we have 3,000
That's
followers.
The best organic clip that we have had, which is not a collab on Journey Club.
Yeah.
Do you create polarity all of those 5 planets type?
This?
There's some or the other variation of it for every brand out there.
Yeah. Because अगर तू खुद की life story बता रहा है तो उसमें क्या polarity create करेगा, right? There would be some pillars of your brand where you would be able to create polarity in a proper way. So yeah, that. And then I think we'll move to talking about how to make your stories interesting.
Yep.
Right. So
वो दे.
yeah.
हाँ हाँ नहीं नहीं जल्दी कवर करते हैं भाई रुक जा
15-20 minutes more, guys.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it.
and then we are going to cover like another topic
वो कर लेंगे फटाफट.
हाँ because we like the second topic right we wanted to cover brand mainly because like these are a lot of things that I don't think we have talked about anywhere matlab there are like small versions of it that we might have talked about in our Q&A calls or you know when we are talking to people directly but हमने इस तरीके से I think पूरा discuss नहीं किया अभी तक इन सारे you know pointers को so we only have you know a few points remaining ठीक है which is stories next important topic that essentially like built my brand है ना it's stories how do you make them sound interesting like foundational level पे you already learn like got to know कि हमारा point of view क्या है you have to make ordinary stuff sound interesting I'll just break down my most viral video till date that I haven't been able to you know kind of crack that again क्योंकि मुझे वापस नहीं करना था वो so I'm like okay how do I create an alternate version I know that shit will work again but I'm just not doing it so I think I remember the script word by word till now it's called freelancing helped me quit my engineering 2 years ago and live on my own I went through a lot of books and here are the only three books that you need to get started and then I recommended show your work like steal like an artist and then I think anything you want by Derek Sivers Pajama Profit right I had that अब हुआ क्या कि मैंने क्या किया यार like मैंने 21 में engineering छोड़ दी थी I did an boring ass agency job है ना and then I just read those books in the meantime and I was like कि भाई मैं वीडियो बनाते हैं इसके बारे में what's interesting in this it's just the framing of the idea I wanted to do it as just a text video where I did not want to let's say speak but he pushed me कि सक्षम यार तेरे को लाइक रिकैप बनाना है अपने को और ये वाले वीडियोस बनाने हैं प्लीज़ अब की बार वॉइस ओवर कर दो तो मैंने इसके वॉइस मेमो ऐप में रिकॉर्ड किया एंड दैट जस्ट कॉपी हिट फॉर सम रीज़न तो द आइडिया इज़ कि हाउ कैन यू मेक थिंग्स लाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ कैन यू मेक थिंग्स साउंड इंटरेस्टिंग थिंक ऑफ योर सेल्फ इन लाइक अ टीवी शो एट ऑल पॉइंट्स कि एवरी वन ऑफ अस आर लिविंग थ्रू आर्क्स राइट तुम्हारे जैसे यू नो विलन आर्क बोलते हैं लोग and then there are different arcs right वो जो training arc होता है etc कि we have these short periods of time where we are focused on one thing so it's like as you watch more TV shows as you watch more movies you will start to always create parallels where they are used so for example the time of Bali for me it was like okay now I'm getting into the travel arc of my life क्योंकि I have 3 foreign trips still planned for this year अब क्या होगा कि every video that I make which is even about the most boring thing I'm gonna plug this thing in one way or the other ठीक है मेरे को कोई आइडिया बहुत पहले आ गया होगा let's say like showcasing your work creatively I was doing that for like 2 years come on है ना but I was like कि यार बाली जाके आया I met Daniel Dalen है ना and वहाँ पे I lived with 4 other founders I came back and then I was like कि यार I'm not the most creative guy I can be so I just started showcasing my work creatively and it doubled my agency. क्या हुआ भाई? It was just a random idea on paper. I just attached a simple story to it that makes sense. Don't make things sound bigger than they are. Like अगर इतनी सी simple सी चीज़ है ना उसको simple ही रखो. The whole idea with creating arcs is that वो जो simple philosophy होता है ना brevity वाला कि everything that you say you should be able to explain it to a 5-year-old and a 70-year-old at once. That's why I think whoever I've talked to about Jujutsu, मेरे जो professor है P-Town में, he has this quality with Jujutsu. The way that he teaches, the references that he has, pop culture references, the humor that he has, everything makes simple things sound interesting. समझ रहे हो? That's the whole idea. So let's say अगर तुम्हारा कोई भी एक story है, let's say you took one idea from this retreat, create a whole like story around it. समझ रहे हो? Don't make things sound more complicated they are, but make them more presentable, and that's usually done through good copy. Number one, and then footage to back it. That's why I think in
What is the meaning of copy?
copywriting जो script है तुम्हारा, yeah. So yeah, so when I was in Bali, I made this one video. I think अभी थोड़ा टाइम हो गया इंस्टा पे डाले हुए. It was like कि if I told you that I met founders making 9 figures, you won't believe me until I give you pictures of it. Right? So everything has to be bulletproof. That's why the best stories are bulletproof because there is something backing it. समझ रहे हो? तो it's like tactics हो गया, narrative हो गया. All of you have to learn about narrative building. अब it's like it's completely different topic in itself. 24 घंटे भी बोल सकते हैं उसके बारे में. Narrative is essentially a series of events. तुम अगर हमारी ब्रांड्स को समराइज करो, it was probably this that made things scale, and it's probably a combination of all four as of this moment. तो अब क्या हो रहा है? If we talk about an idea here that probably originated from here, our stories become more interesting because we have more events backing it. So think of narratives ki okay, if I can be vulnerable, fuck it. The day I was I was coming to Pune to house hunt, I was in Jaipur, like first time kind of like traveling mostly alone. ठीक है, मैं जयपुर पे दीदी के घर जाने वाला था. From there I wanted to go to the airport. I got robbed on my way there. Knife point पे, in an auto. ठीक है, they took my cash, they took my phone, and I saved this ring which I would have died for, but they hopefully didn't take my laptop. I was left on a highway. I had to call my parents. I had to call my Jiju and my sister. They gave me a spare phone, and then I still went to Pune. Now imagine me sharing this actual story on camera. And this legit happened, I'm telling you. I lost pictures of my dog when he was growing up, like for a year straight. 500 GB of pictures of my pet Uno. I lost everything जो उसका मैंने document किया था. Right, now imagine me telling this story when I talk about me moving to Pune. I can attach this story to me learning MMA. ठीक है, I wanted to learn boxing. I had no idea about what kickboxing was, what MMA was, what jiu-jitsu was. मैं तो commercial boxing gym में जाने वाला था. When I came to Pune, I was like, यार ये gym अच्छा दिख रहा है, but this gym is near to me. Let's just go there. And by chance, last day of my house hunting trip, when I was in Pune, I finalized a flat that is legit a 10-minute walk from P-Town. Events देख रहे हो? Now imagine if I just say कि यार मुझे MMA सीखना था क्योंकि स्कूल में बुली होता था. But if I attach this series of events to it, sounded more interesting, right? So it's like the more events that you have in your narrative, the more interesting your story becomes because you have elements. This is where now the element can be a series of stories. Number one, it could be your copy, it could be an interesting video to back it, it could be a voice note that you dropped to yourself a while ago that you remember that, you know, I can plug this in a future video. That's why I have this dump on my Notion board where I just link random things that I want to refer. I think I probably have 3,000 of those that I have never used till now, but I know कि कभी ना कभी तो हो जाएगा. समझ रहे हो? I have one video planned which is called I took Alex Hormozi's advice too seriously. And that's going to be a storytelling of how I scaled my agency from like 0 to where it is right now. And it's going to be directed by Sanko. I know of it. मैंने बोल रखा है उसको पहले से ही. But I'm not going to do it for now because I don't have a interesting enough story for it. I can probably make like part 1 of it, but I know कि वो full circle नहीं होगा. समझ रहे हो? तो these are easy things, right? If you put it in the micro perspective, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ भाई? मैं बस मेरे workstation पे बैठ के videos देख रहा हूँ. But I can make these stories from it. समझ रहे हो? I remember like when agency was not doing well, MMA was the like jiu-jitsu mainly was the one thing that kept my head leveled. Otherwise, I would have lost it. समझ रहे हो? Because I was getting beat up by my friends, I was like कि भाई इनको तो पेलना है कल मेरे को. So I can't think about my work. ये जानता है रितेश को, ठीक है? उससे rivalry रहता है मेरा हमेशा. Although he's like 10 times more jacked than me, मेरे को एक हाथ से उठा के फेंक देता है. ऐसा है बंदा वो, ठीक है? But solving those things helps me in doing things for my agency because I go back home with more clarity. Maybe let's say a lesson that I need is I just need to conquer my fear of defending one move that my professor has been hitting on me for 3 months straight, because I know the chain of moves that he's going to do on me, but I cannot defend it because I'm not learning how to defend. The parallel is I'm working with a shitty ass client and I'm not getting rid of that client because I'm attached to the money and I don't know how to get past that. That's why there's a incongruency. So if I just apply those same lessons to what I am doing with my agency, that's a story. And this has happened countless times. समझ रहे हो? So the first jiu-jitsu match I ever had officially, I lost it. ठीक है? I also lost the second match, but then I won. I got second in a tournament that happened at P-Town. Because of the mindset shift that happened with my first tournament, because I was like कि सर यार killer instinct नहीं था. Maybe I have become too soft. Maybe I have become maybe too calm. इतनी सारी दिक्कतें हो रही है, but I'm just like chill है ना, कर लेंगे सब कुछ.
Stories
Me,
के क्या बन?
हाँ, me texting my professor. Professor, I lost because I think I didn't have the killer instinct. I was like, I come back from Delhi. मैं इतना ज़्यादा परेशान था, मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे को बोला कि तू चला जा वापस पुणे, अगर तू ऐसा मुंह उतार के रहेगा तो. It took me 3 days to heal from those losses, and I was like, अब आओ तुम जिम में. 20 days later, that tournament at P-Town happened where I got 4 submissions, and 7 days later I got my blue belt because my professor was like, यार इसको देना पड़ेगा. But I lost a month ago. That aggressiveness transferred into my work directly. All I'm saying is, this is the core, and this is how you tell stories that sound interesting. Attach emotion to it, attach more stories, more events, more footage. You know, मैं कैसा content consumer था एक time पे.
Oh भाई great. मेरे को कुछ पता करना होता था क्या चल रहा है भाई. अभी इंस्टाग्राम पे तो मैं इससे पूछ रहा होता था कि ट्रेंड बता भाई.
I knew every fucking creator in my niche. I knew every single trend they were doing. ठीक है, but I stopped that Opal के बाद में क्योंकि I had to work. तो it's like you do this, and one thing that has stayed consistent is everything that I've told until now, the 5 planets that I drew, everything is here. Mindset, habits, resources, which is like getting help from mentors and all. Okay, MMA, which is my way of fitness, documenting my journey, जो मैंने किया है, and building my agency, which was the pillar, and talking about brand. Everything compounds. ठीक है, so the moment you decide those 4-5 things that are like unique to what your brand is, there is an approach to it. Let's say if you are building a brand where you want to be an expert, you only talk about one thing there, because that's where story actually, I would say, becomes a negative. But if you want to create a brand where you are telling stories, Chloe C पता है किसी को? CLOESIH जो बंदी है, she I think got from 100K to 1 million in 3 months by uploading a crazy video every single day.
Now, what I learned in my
Asian looking girl.
The thing, right? The album who went viral during COVID.
नहीं, this happened early this year. ठीक है, all she was doing was telling stories. ठीक है, and she was so vulnerable about how, you know, things happened with her. That's where things connected, and that's how things became more interesting. समझ रहे हो? तो it's volume.
134 हो गए.
Everything is you know, volume उस case में. तो this is how you build narratives. So to summarize it all, narrative, arcs in your life, events backing it, compiling it all, and always thinking in content. Content. आज अगर जैसे मैंने ये कुछ सिखाया है, like I'll probably have a few ideas that I'm gonna write tonight in my Notion board. Maybe I won't use, I'll probably won't use it, but it's there. ठीक है, दिमाग खुल गया. Like now I know that I can tell stories. I can make a video tomorrow saying I have 5,000 content ideas that I never used. 5,000 stories. समझ रहे हो? तो this is basically how you make stories interesting, and you can create parallels with every brand out there. Things remain consistent every single where. Okay, and this is where like we'll get to the concluding points of the entire thing about brand. Number one, be real with yourself. You have to go through everything that we have mentioned until now when it comes to building your brand. किसी भी niche में, you have to go through all of the points. Non-negotiable. Second thing is what Akshat taught initially. Don't think about, let's say कि यार इसका जो use case है हमें वही करना है. Not that. Think about कि how you can, if he has a use case around how he is helping his agency clients or how he is future proofing his, you know, upcoming projects. That's his use case. But take inspiration in the sense कि okay, he is talking about AI. I need that. अब ये जो चीज़ें हैं ना, this will become, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, the novelty in your brand moving forward because everything will be commoditized with AI. समझ रहे हो? And because of that, like visual identity and aesthetics का अक्षत ने काफी कुछ बता दिया. The essentials are like mood boards, having consistent branding. The thing is, everything has to be consistent for a very, very long time.
For people to realize it's your brand.
हाँ, it's your brand, it's interesting enough, and it's follow-worthy.
And I'll tell you, like when it comes to brand aesthetic, a certain type of color grading can just be your brand, right? For example, I don't know, like there is this creator called Nazar Hazrat, क्या नाम है बंदे का? Nazaret, right? So basically, like in the world of content where everybody was doing color grading, which was nostalgic, which had yellow tint, he did color grading which was green, right? Yeah. So like it basically stood out, and people were like, okay, fuck this color. So even small things like these could become your brand identity, which people would recall you for, right? For example, very Indian example was Sharan, right? All he did unique at the everybody was creating conversational content after a point of time, right? Which he started, I believe. But then people remembered him for a long time because at the end of the day, the CTO was like, "Kya be fook ke aayega?" Just that single line created a recall value of a brand where people like, "अच्छा ठीक है, ये तो यही बंदा बोलता है." So that's where the identity and aesthetics come into play.
And I'll I think close off with this thing, which is that if we combine everything, at the end of the brand, it's always a community.
That is
Left versus right wala part hai. People who relate to your story, people who are buying anything from you. It's a group of people. That's a community. Okay. And I think kind of the primary motive around why we wanted Journey Club to be a community first business and not a retreat business. Because this is the most aspirational part of what we do. And I think this is the way forward because we cannot talk about a lot of the things that we have talked about till now, either in our content or anywhere else.
The problem with content is like half the things if we create content on this, it won't get views. So we are not getting the ROI for time for creating that content. And that is why I think these conversations can only happen in the closed rooms where people actually listen to it.
Because you have put skin in the game.
Otherwise, it's just pointless.
So yeah,
I would say just try to build a community around everything that you do. Right? I think the best way is I think this idea of creating content for your younger self is very important because that's how you're going to be attracting the community of right people. Right? Don't think about कि भाई मेरा ICP क्या है. Like don't get into the technicalities of it. Yes, those are good if you know it. But if you're struggling to get clarity around those, just create content for your younger self of sorts. Like मैं कहाँ से आता हूँ, मेरी क्या roots है, मैं कैसे बोलता हूँ, you know, where do I come from? Right? Like I know creators who speak in English for the sake of fucking sounding cool. Bro, like if you want to speak in Hindi and that's what you've spoken for the rest of your life, हिंदी में बात कर लो ना भाई, दिक्कत क्या है उसके अंदर, right? It's like, so people, all I'm saying is just be who you are, right? Just stay real in terms of whatever you put across there. So yeah.
Whichever positioning you have, whichever community you have, these are the only two people you have to talk to. That's it. So that was it for the brand one.
Okay guys, so this is pretty much it. Great. Okay. So we can take a break.
Yeah.
I guess it's been 1.5 hours. There are certain things that we want to talk about in terms of if you're a founder, what are the things that you need to keep in mind? There has to be nothing, right? It's just you, your corner, you locking in, you're just working towards your vision. Minimum 4 hours, start doing that for yourself in a day. Doesn't matter whatever happens. If not 3, start with, if not 4, start with 3, start with 2. You decide your timing. कि 1 घंटा I will not be distracted by anything else and I'll just work towards my vision. That's like number 1, right?
Download Opal क्योंकि सबके सब like phone में लग जाते होंगे. Get Opal's paid subscription. It's like 2,000 rupees per year and
it will block
use the deep work feature in that. क्योंकि then तुम ना ही उस ऐप को uninstall कर पाओगे तो तुमने अगर गलती से भी बंद कर दिया Instagram तो तुम फिर वापस चालू नहीं कर सकते उसको. And set extreme schedules for yourself. As of now, I think मेरे schedule में Instagram opens for half an hour during lunch time, about for an hour when I leave for training क्योंकि जब मैं videos upload करता हूँ, and after 1 a.m.
Yeah.
Now I have to complete my work क्योंकि Insta चला नहीं सकता,
Or
and I don't
upload
keep
on-
Instagram on my laptop.
Yeah.
मेरा personal जो है.
But at our level, if we got engagement with to does it help to have Instagram accessible a bit more? मतलब you
Of
can
course,
just
that's a
follow
specific use case. You do it, but set time for that.
That time, yeah.
And for that, I would say time to zoom out. Why I talk about writing always is that writing gives you a lot of clarity, and you should often have it in your schedule. कि अगर तुम्हें दिमाग में कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, extreme brain fog है, write everything that you are thinking about. Because the moment you write it, it's real. It's not that. I would recommend a book called The Untethered Soul to everyone. It's a beautiful, The Untethered Soul. Yeah. It's a beautiful book about how there's a roommate living inside your head who elevates everything. तुम्हें कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, वो उसको elevate कर देगा. तुम्हें कुछ पसंद आ रहा है, वो उसको elevate कर देगा. And it becomes strongest during the points where you are the weakest. ठीक है? It's that. So you need to zoom out because वहाँ पे अगर discussions हो रहे होंगे, you will talk yourself out of things that you are supposed to do, or you'll talk yourself into things that you're not supposed to do. समझ रहे हो? And when those thoughts come out, now you're not talking to that inner roommate.
I mean, you need a set block of time every week to reflect on the strategy, the work you do, how your mental space is, you know, because the thing is that if you don't do that, it's very easy to get distracted, and so you would realize when you do, I always say chase clarity, right? Because the thing, and you need to consistently chase clarity. ऐसा नहीं कि तुम महीने में एक बार बैठे, देखा, अब तुम execute करते जा रहे हो, तुम वापस नहीं बैठ रहे. You would realize कि भाई तुम जब एक महीने बाद बैठोगे तो तुम बोलोगे कि भाई मैं क्या कर रहा था, डायरेक्शन ही चेंज हो गई, मैं पहले कुछ और ही कर रहा था, अब मैं कुछ और ही कर रहा हूँ, right? So you need to have the weekly time blocks where you're like, I need to sit down, see क्या हुआ है, क्या किया है, क्या गलत हो रहा है, क्या सही हो रहा है. You need that as a founder, otherwise तुम चारों डायरेक्शन में चले जाओगे, especially in the world where is just stimulation all around you.
And this requires honesty. Most people are not honest with themselves. So be absolutely real. And then realize this one thing mentally, that boring work is the beauty of it. जो मैंने starting में बोला था ना, self talk. Constantly tell yourself, this is fun. This is fun. मेरा client churn होता है कोई, 30 minutes I'm like कि यार भैंचोद मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. The next hour I'm like कि यार मजा आ गया. क्योंकि now this is a bigger problem to solve. maybe content piece बन जाएगा आगे.
Yeah. So now the next thing is emotional non-negotiables. Like as a founder, what are the emotional non-negotiables that you need to focus on? First is processing rejections and failures without letting them define your self-worth. Right? So one of the major problem that I faced earlier in my career is that if I used to make less amount of money, I used to define myself in my mind that I'm not good enough, which is not the right framing to have, because work is one part of your life, it's not your life. Right? You could be a very good person, very humble to everybody talk to you, might be a very respectful person, but if some fuck up happened in your business, doesn't matter, you're a bad person. But we as humans have this tendency of कि यार भाई मैं इतने पैसे भी नहीं कमा रहा हूँ, just thू, like you're nothing. And when you do that, you fuck up all areas of your life. And that is why you need to have this ability of processing rejections, failures in a way where you do not let that impact your self-worth. You still say that, hey, like, in your own mind, I'm a good guy. I'm not unable to figure it out right now. I'm fucking up in my relationship, I'm fucking up with my health, but I'll figure it out. Right? Do not attach your work and self-worth together.
It's called emotional carryover in sales as well. 4 कॉल अगर एक के बाद एक है, पहली वाली कॉल खराब गई, सेकंड वाली तुम इस फ्रेमिंग से जाओगे कि भाई क्यों हो गया मेरे साथ में ये, बिकॉज वो इमोशंस है वो. तो थिंक अबाउट इमोशनल कैरी ओवर एट ऑल पॉइंट्स. आई वुड से द मोस्ट अंडररेटेड वे टू रेगुलेट योर इमोशंस इज टू हैव अ ग्रुप आउटसाइड ऑफ योर वर्क, ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, ग्रुप ऑफ बॉयज. समझ रहे हो? टू मेनी पीपल हैव रोमांटिसाइज दिस लाइफ कि भाई तुम्हें बस है ना, यू नो, क्रेजी जो एम्बिशियस वाला ग्रुप चाहिए जो सिर्फ पूरे टाइम लैपटॉप लेके बैठे हैं एंड यू नो वी आर बिल्डिंग समथिंग. बोरिंग एज फक, बट दे हैव मनी. दैट्स इट.
Yeah. You need to have a group that you can talk shit about, that you will afraid to say in front of everybody.
Yeah.
If you don't
Yeah.
have that group, then you're fucked.
We say cancelable shit
we can't say it
behind
anywhere
the
else.
scenes, right?
It's not
And that's why, like, for example, a big part of how I'm able to, you know, maintain a level head is because of P-Town, because वहाँ पे जाके मैं सिर्फ बकचोदी करता हूँ. He has seen. सत्यम थोड़ा बहुत वो देखता है apart from the jutsu mat, जब हम जिम में होते हैं, वर्कआउट कर रहे होते हैं. वर्कआउट अदर टाइम होता है, अदर टाइम सिर्फ बकचोदी होती है, एंड देन मे बी थोड़ी कुछ वल्नरेबल बात कर दी. बट यू नीड दोज पीपल बिकॉज यू नो कि काम में मैं कितना भी 30 मार खाऊंगा, पर यहाँ जाऊंगा ना तो ये मेरे को ज़मीन पे ले आएंगे. So that is needed. I'm telling you, if you don't have a boys group, if you don't have people you can vibe with, seek that.
Yeah. Last one is you need to protect your emotional energy, and the way you do it is by not entertaining random people's opinions, right? See, people can say anything and everything about you, and if you are gonna consume everything and try to make a sense of it, then you're always gonna get into a downward spiral. Okay? Not everything, anything that somebody else has told you is supposed to have a meaning, right? Because इतना ज़्यादा sort out person तो कोई नहीं होता, right? So sometimes people say shit, right? You need to have this tendency of ignoring it or telling yourself कि यार ठीक है उनकी लाइफ में कोई दिक्कत हो रही होगी इसलिए बोल दिया होगा, right? If you are gonna take everything personally, if you are gonna take everything as an attack, you are fucked, right? And I think it doesn't just apply to business, right? This has happened to me in my personal life as well, right? Like when I was talking to there were phases of my life when I used to talk to my parents, and they used to just ask me, and they would just tell ki bhai, for example, my dad randomly asked me ki bhai, like how much revenue are you guys doing right now, right? So I used to, let's say whatever the number I used to tell, and let's say he said ki, like you have been doing it for a while, abhi tak itna hi ho raha hai. I used to take it as so much attack that I would be like, yaar, I would not talk to him, whatever, like in my mind. But then I realized कि भाई वो ऐसे ही मजाक में बोल रहे होंगे, भाई मैं क्यों अटैक ले रहा हूँ इस बात को, right? या फिर my girlfriend used to tell me something and I used to take it as an attack. Like you tend to have those walls around you, and you get triggered for no reason, right? And you need to maintain that कि like ठीक है, that person might be going through something, they might have a bad day.
What's the framework you use for that?
It's like the framework is reversing the perspective. When you are getting triggered, you are only thinking from your perspective of the world. You have this. Try to reverse the projection.
So do you look at people with a sigh of empathy or being in their
Not the empathy. Just be like care and looking at the world from their perspective. यार हो गया होगा इसकी लाइफ में आज कुछ, right? या फिर वो they might be trying to tell something very different, but I took it differently. You need to change that lens of how you see at the world. We have the tendency of looking at the world from this, like this is our viewfinder, right? Try to do this, we found, and then you'll realize कि भाई हजार चीजें और हैं उस इंसान की दुनिया में मेरे अलावा, so वो मेरी तरफ अटैक नहीं है. So I mean that framing is very important.
So the next one is, I think, probably the most important one for me.
Yeah,
it's discipline and routine, because मैंने मेरा एक दिमाग में आइडिया बना लिया कि I want to optimize my entire schedule for longevity. If I don't fall sick every 3 months, if I am not regularly injured to a point where I'm not, able to work, or if there is anything existing in my life that would decrease the longevity of, what I'm doing apart from, a few things, I'm like, yaar, nahi karna. That's why, for example, having regular workouts, I go extra hard on it. Like sometimes I'm training 7 days a week, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा होता है कि यार enough train नहीं किया है. But I know that will add longevity into what I'm doing. Having consistent good sleep, right? Investing in your health. ठीक है, अभी जैसे मैं अगर मेरे दोस्त मेरे को इतना ग्रिल करते हैं ना, पर आई टेल देम कि भाई मैंने इतना पैसा फिटनेस कोच में लगाया है, वो आके मेरे पे हंसने लग जाते हैं कि भाई तूने उसको सिर्फ इसके लिए पैसा दिया है कि भाई ये वाली एक्सरसाइज कर ले और ये वाला खाना खा ले. आई एम लाइक कि यार ब्रो, आई डोंट वांट टू थिंक अबाउट दिस. These are things that
non-negotiable.
Yeah, these are non-negotiable. So if I just make them easy for me, I've got a win under my belt already. कि भाई I'm able to eat consistently, same thing, है ना, without any breaks. And if I'm in, let's say, Pune, मैं jiu-jitsu train करूँगा, मतलब like there is nothing that can stop me.
Yeah.
समझ रहे हो? तो everything has to help you in increasing your longevity. And now I'm gonna kind of leave this point to an open end कि just think about your current lifestyle and think about कि तुम ऐसी क्या चीजें कर रहे हो जो तुम्हारी longevity कम
I'll
कर रही
just
है.
add one thing on this. So like a lot of people understand that when we give pleasure to our body and our mind, dopamine gets released, right? But what we tend to forget is that dopamine is the single most hormone that is required to make yourself motivated. Right? If you don't have dopamine, you will not be motivated to get out of your bed. People don't know that. Like a lot of people don't know that, right? Now, so the idea is, if you are locking in for 7 days, for example, okay, and you do not have a healthy way of giving dopamine to your body, adrenaline to your body, you are gonna seek that dopamine from bad activities, right? It could be anything. It could be doom scrolling your way through it, binge watching Netflix. Or I'm not saying watching Netflix is bad or whatever. मैं खुद देखता हूँ, right? But you tend to outdo it. तुम इतना कर दोगे कि तुम्हारा brain rot हो जाएगा, right? So you need physical activities, non-negotiable of that, because when you work out, your body releases dopamine, right? That is why it is non-negotiable if you're a founder, because you do not want to get distracted and do things that then gives you that dopamine.
स्मॉल
right?
पीरियड्स आर फाइन, 2-3 दिन तुम्हें करना है. मे बी लेट्स से सैटरडे को अगर तुम्हें जॉब पे नहीं जाना है या फिर तुम कॉलेज से फ्री हो एंड यू कैन पुल एन ऑल नाइटर ऑन फ्राइडे, डू इट. बट डोंट डू इट फॉर अ वीक स्ट्रेट, क्योंकि वो आगे तुम्हारे 2 दिन ऐसे खराब करेगा, यू विल नीड 2 एक्स्ट्रा डेज टू रिकवर फ्रॉम इट. समझ रहे हो? दैट्स वाई जैसे हॉर्मोजी का एक बहुत फ्रीक्वेंट पॉइंट रहता है दैट ही डजंट ड्रिंक बिकॉज ड्रिंकिंग टेक्स अवे 2 days.
That's true. That's true for Kushi. Yes. 2 days gone.
राइट? सो
Yeah.
just think about longevity. अब
Yeah.
सबके vices हैं. We are not gonna preach a perfect lifestyle to anyone. We are not perfect, you have seen, right? But it's like most of the things that we do, it helps us in increasing our expected life in what we are doing.
I think last thing in this is key, which is obviously like discipline, routine as well. You need to know exactly what's going to happen in the week to come. अगर तुम Wednesday को बैठ के पूछ रहे हो कि मेरे को इस week क्या करना है और क्या करना था, then you are fucked as a founder. You are supposed to know that everything. I am a slave of my calendar, right? On Monday morning or Sunday afternoon, my calendar is blocked. It's blue, black, green. जो भी मेरे को डालना है, color coded shit out of it, right? And then I just follow my calendar. I am slave of it. I am not giving extra fucking bandwidth to my brain to think कि तुझे करना क्या है भाई. तुमने वो दिया तो तुम्हारा ब्रेन यही बोलेगा कि सोफे पे लेट भाई, फोन वन स्क्रॉल कर, टीवी देख, खाना खा, डोमिनोज खा, जो भी खाना तुम्हें, राइट? यू डोंट वांट टू गिव योरसेल्फ दैट बैंडविड्थ टू वेस्ट योर ब्रेन्स टाइम इन थिंकिंग यू टू डू थिंग्स दैट rot your brain, right? So you need to plan your week a week before.
This is where you need to have
100%.
non-negotiables in work and systems. So get habitual with saying no. Say no more. Because there will be a lot of opportunities in front of you, good or bad, that you will have the tendency to say yes to. But think of no, कि भाई no makes me more powerful. The more you do it, that's what schedule essentially is. You are saying yes to one thing and no to 99 other things.
Yeah.
Right? That's just it. No बोलने की आदत डाल लो in most of the things that you do and change the framing of it.
But do you room for spontaneity?
Of course, but you have to earn that.
100%.
Like if
And you know it in here,
yeah,
if you deserve it or not, is what I would say. So.
you have to earn it. If we travel 3 days, अब do you think that 4 days we are going to do anything else apart from work? Or the next 2 weeks? Because we earned this since we came back from Bali. Bali में कितना काम किया था 2 हफ्ते में?
Nothing.
Maybe 3 घंटे?
Nothing. Yeah, nothing.
Maybe 2 घंटे? ठीक है, but we earned that 6 months before. Now we earned this 3-day thing by working tirelessly for 2.5-3 months.
I think next is work and systems non-negotiables. As a founder, agency owners, creatives, whatever we are doing, I think we need to document our process as we go, not waiting for कि भाई मैं team बनाऊंगा तब document करूंगा. Now what I mean by that is if you are doing a task today that you feel that you are not going to be doing in the future, you need to have a documentation of it, right? And you need to have such descriptive documentation of it that even a layman with some knowledge would be able to replicate it. Right? Majority of the tasks in business are like that. You know, the only task in business I feel in the world we live in today is high-level decision making and creative thinking a lot of times, which could also be delegated. And that is why freelancers, beginner agency owners, they do not have any systems. They do not have any SOPs, right? They are like कि भाई team आएगी तो मैं करूँगा. That's not how you. तुम system बनाओगे तब तुम सोचोगे कि भाई अब तो system बन गया है, team member hire कर लेता हूँ. तुम सोच रहे हो मैं team member hire करूँगा फिर system बनाऊँगा. That's not the right way to go about it.
I'll give you the easiest idea for it. This is something that I do right now, which is I have the premium subscription of Loom. What I do is the Figma board that I have, right? It's called Metro Media House. I do everything related to the agency. If I'm working on one project, I'll have 2 to 3 Loom videos that I make every month, which is then a series. Okay, and I'll be like, this is the update on June 20th. Since June 1st, these are the things that have happened. These are the things that have worked. These are the things that have not. And I'm just going to document it there. I'm going to keep it in English because the transcript is useful with AI. Okay, but keep that documented. Let's say even if you don't know how to create an SOP out of something that you are doing right now, but you know that okay, these 3 things have worked, these 3 things have not, you have a tendency to forget it down the line. So start creating these series of you building whatever you are.
Hmm.
It could be shit, but at least कुछ तो है वहाँ पे. after 3 videos, after 4 videos, there's going to be 1 or 2 points that's going to change the game for you.
Yeah. I think the next thing that completely changed the way I approach my business and my life as well is the idea of tracking metrics, right? You need to make your entire life, not entire life, but a lot of your life as a founder about KPIs, right? This month, what is the number that I'm looking at in terms of revenue, in terms of social media followers, in terms of the input that I'm going to be doing, in terms of the videos that I want to post, in terms of, let's say, the amount of calls that I'm going to have with my girlfriend, with my parents, right? In terms of how many times I'm going to hit the gym. You need to have the KPIs for everything is what I feel, because you can only grow the things that you track. If you're not tracking things that you are, like, you cannot grow things that you're not tracking. So you need to track everything that you really want to see growth in, because without tracking, I don't think there is growth. So whatever you feel is very important to you, you need to have a KPI for that, for yourself and for your team as well. यार अगर तुमने एक sales team बनाई, right? Guys, this is our monthly KPI. We are looking at 25 sales. Okay? जब तुम उन्हें ये बोलोगे ना, they would get you closer to 25. 15, 16, 17. तुम कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे, it could be 5. Humans need an anchor and goal, so they are able to work towards it. And KPIs and tracking metrics do that for you, right? So please track pretty much everything that you want to see growth in your life.
Yeah.
And then I think we are going to quickly talk about personal standards. And I think we talked about this, bro.
We have talked. Yeah.
I think this.
Yeah, we're just going to talk about personal standard. The idea of clarity that we talked about in the beginning, being absolutely real with yourself, saying no, having schedule and all, keeping that in mind. एक चीज़ को हमेशा याद रखना, don't create the habit of half-assing anything. अगर तुम कुछ भी बना रहे हो ना, that comes from an idea and materializes into something that's living. Digital होगा जो भी है, but it's a video, it's a product, it's an AI automation, it's a website, it's a picture, right? You have to feel proud of it. And कभी भी चीज़ों को half-ass करने की आदत मत डालो for quick cash. कभी भी नहीं. अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि यार ये क्लाइंट की ये स्ट्रैटेजी या फिर ये वीडियो मैं 3 घंटे में कर देता हूँ, आई नो कि 4 घंटा लगेगा बट या फिर 5 घंटे लगेंगे, बट आई नो कि यार 3 घंटे में गुड इनफ काम हो जाएगा, डोंट डू दैट, बिकॉज दैट्स अ 0.99 वाला कंपाउंडिंग आफ्टर दैट, दैट्स नॉट अ 1.01 वाला कंपाउंडिंग. सो ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट कि अगर तुम एक छोटी चीज़ कर रहे हो ना, यू हैव टू फील प्राउड ऑफ इट. मैं इसको चिन्मय को पता होगा, लाइक द प्रोजेक्ट दैट ही वर्क्स विथ मी ऑन, अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स आई एम लाइक the hit rate is very good in terms of good things, but sometimes I'm like, यार भाई, we cannot post this. पूरी टीम ने मेहनत करी होगी, there's like 4 people who spent hours of their time or a bit like fraction of an hour of their time. I'm not going to accept it. Do it again, because I'm not going to accept half-assed effort anywhere. Sure, थोड़ा again margin of error रहेगा, but whatever it is that you are doing when you are helping people, अब जैसे for example, not boasting, बट हमने प्लान कितना किया था मास्टर क्लास इनिशियली 90 मिनट्स. आई थिंक वी हैव क्रॉस 2 आवर्स.
अभी हमने टाइमर लगाया था, हमने 90 मिनट्स का, वो टाइमर स्टॉप करके साइड में कर दिया.
हाँ, बिकॉज वी न्यू कि नहीं देखना भाई टाइमर
अभी अब पॉसिबल ही नहीं,
राइट? तो बिकॉज यू विल फील फुलफिल्ड आफ्टर यू हैव डन थिंग्स दैट आर नॉट हाफ-assed. Over deliver, bro, like over deliver with your effort. Anything that you're able to do. हाँ, 100%. बिकॉज मनी एक इंस्टेंट डोपामिन हिट होता है, राइट? अब जैसे अगर ये मान लो, अगर कल $50,000 पर मंथ का रिटेनर क्लोज कर देता है, द डे आफ्टर मे बी, हाँ, द डे आफ्टर ही माइट फील प्राउड ऑफ इट. आई थिंक 2 weeks later डाउन द लाइन इज लाइक कि भाई यार हो गया भाई जो हो गया, बट ही विल he'll be extremely proud of the things that he did that led to that event. That fulfillment carries on in the things that you do later on.
Yeah.
And because of that, I think half-assing वाला चीज़ जो है ना, it starts with a promise. If you make small promises to yourself, don't break them. आदत बन जाती है. Anything that you do a few times without actually accepting it, वो फिर आदत बन जाएगी. Maybe डाइट पे चीट करना, या फिर लेट्स से वर्कआउट नहीं करना, या फिर वो लाइक अगर जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे को बेटर कॉल सॉल बहुत पसंद आ गया सीरीज, राइट? आई हैव ऑलवेज फिनिश्ड लाइक आई थिंक 4 seasons, बट आई हैव स्पेंड लाइक गुड 5 weeks on it because I only watch it when I'm eating, या फिर if I'm traveling. I could finish the whole thing in 3-4 days, but I have not. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो पर्सनल बाउंड्री बना रखा है. आई ऑफन काइंड ऑफ स्लिप ऑन इट, लेट्स से अगर एनिमे को कोई सीरीज आया है 12 एपिसोड का, आई नो आई कैन फिनिश इट, आई ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर इट इनिशियली कि भाई पहले मैं मेहनत कर लूँगा, दिस वीकेंड आई एम नॉट गोना वर्क फॉर वन डे बिकॉज आई एम गोना हैव अ नेटफ्लिक्स मैराथन लाइक दिस. तो with this I'm not breaking a promise, and even if I do something that doesn't look productive, it's still good because I've earned it.
You optimize your character.
And I think next thing is maintaining personal integrity, right? And this is something that Saksham we were talking about yesterday as well, that you do anything and everything in the world, don't lie to yourself, right? I would say lying to yourself is more harmful than lying to people you love as well, right? Because when you lie to yourself, you cannot live peacefully with yourself. You cannot go to bed at night and sleep peacefully, because there is a part of you which is truthful, and it just kind of pokes you again and again, and then basically mess up with your mental health is what I feel, right? Don't try to find the shortcuts. Do not lie with yourself. Be who you are exactly, and don't just like telling it to the world exactly who you are. Sometimes there could be layers to it, but at least don't try to boast it in terms of मैं हूँ but मैं नहीं रहूँगा, ये मेरे दिमाग में clear है, but ये मत बोलो कि भाई मैं तो like I'm good. अभी नहीं हो भाई तुम. It's like when you start doing that, you kind of mess things up for yourself.
And to close it off, these are not perfect pointers. We might be wrong at a lot of things, but we can be sure about one thing is that the people we were at this, in this year compared to where we are right now, these are the things that have been non-negotiable for us.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm tired as fuck. Let's go.